Sam Allardyce to be at the helm of their club. Do you know what I mean? And he will put you out, bro. He's 30.
Oh my.
Oh my days, they've just bagged. Oh my days,
I see it,
bro.
No.
It just fucking come off. Oh, bro. And you know the wickedest thing? It wasn't even going in. Bro, it wasn't even going in. It was a what's it called? It was a deflection, bro. Brother. Matip deflection, bruv. Matip, you've got quite a few deflections this year. You know? Remember the City one as well? It's not really man's fault. What can man do? But no! What's going on, bruv? I couldn't believe it. I was just talking shit, and I said, But the shot was so unassuming, like, oh man, bro, the shot was getting dealt with. Oh no, bruv, what's going on?
I still ain't seen him. That thing's behind. Yeah, no.
Yeah, Demo's saying CJ ain't even on the bench. Is he injured? I'm not even too sure. I'm gonna have to find out, bro. I'm gonna do some research now and see what's going on with CJ.
That's the technical thing on their end still.
Nice.
Oh, go then. Go! Yes, come on!
Please, bro!
He's got
money!
Come on!
Blood! Hey, overhead!
I've not even seen it yet.
Oh my days, bro! Wait, shut your mouth! What a goal, bro! Simicast!
Bro, shout out Ish. Ish said it was coming. But did you say overhead kick?
Overhead kick, bro!
Ish, big up Ish. You don't like and subscribe to Weird and Wonderful because he said Mane is going to score overhead kick.
My guy Ishmael can't even watch the game because he's doing up boyfriend, you know, like that. Like, hey, listen, go subscribe to Weird and Wonderful. He said, bruv, overhead kick is coming, and it come, bruv. Simicast with the beauty header.
Oh, no.
Hey, come on.
I choose on. I told you. Have faith. We're winning this 2-1.
Salah. Come on! What are you telling me? Come on, God! What are you telling me, God? Hey, come on! Hey, blood club!
Listen, I love this club. I love it.
Hey! Get in the comments who was telling me that the time
Literally,
was
I told you lot. We're winning this game. When we go 1-0 behind at Anfield, it doesn't mean anything.
Alisson, route 1. I was like, I looked at it. Alisson, assist. What a G. What a pass. I was like, yo, Salah. Drew out the keeper, drew him out, turned, right foot. There you go. Big. Sat man on his ass on the goal line.
I've seen it now. He's gone.
Colombiana!
Diaz!
Are you dumb, man? Are you dumb,
man? Got ruled out.
Hey, Diaz, we were just talking about you, man. Because I said, you know what? I want my guy Diaz. Are you dumb, Diaz? Come on. Colombiana. Hey, tucked it decent as well, you know. Tucked it decent, bro. Nice little cross ball from Thiago to Hendo. Hendo with a absolute part, bruv. The pass from Hendo, outrageous, bruv. To his feet.
You see why I love Ish, bro. Ish, this is where he needs to start, bro. This is where he needs to start.
Don't talk to me about Hendo and his, bruv. The ball was outrageous because if that was from Thiago, we would be all salivating. So give man his props. And Diaz just tucked it deep. Knee slide also. Come on, bruv.
Skipper.
Hey, are you dumb?
The finish!
Come on. Hey.
The thing. That.
And he's got the ball, and we're on again, and we're on again, and we're on again. And Mane, how did you?
Let me get. Listen. Before you.
Yeah, and we're done. 3-1 win. Nice.
Lovely.
Lovely.